Cold.
I see its head. I don't see its body or leg.
Well, just wait.
Where are the legs? That's the head.
There's a head that's parked in here. You see it beating?
Yeah. You see that? That's the baby's heart.
Oh, that must be its belly. Where's its head?
His little legs. Oh, see him moving his hands?
Oh my gosh.
You see it? See the baby?
So what's he doing?
He's measuring to see how big it is.
The baby?
Baby bird.
Not a bird anymore, huh?
Why?
12 weeks.
12 weeks?
2 inches.
He's 2 inches. She is 2 inches.
He or she?
She.
Is it she?
It's a she.
How do
Well,
you
we know.
How do you know, Josh? From your boy.
Okay.
Okay,
I
Aiden
wanted
says
to
it's
get
a
those
boy.
boy clothes.
I know. Aiden. Why didn't you turn that off?
Doesn't matter, just don't answer.
Right.
Aiden, sit down.
Aiden.
Thank you. There, shoes again.
I mean, he.
It. Fine. It.
Oh, that's a good picture. See the hands?
See its little heart. Did you see it?